Welcome to my Java video series. I'm going to continue my previous discussion to differentiate the local variable and instance variable using this keyword when their name is same. So I'm going to take the same example here. So look at this, we have two properties here and I'm going to initialize this time through the constructor. So I'm going to use a constructor here. So let me create here employee. I'm going to add one constructor here and take here two properties, integer. I should use here employee ID and string name. So when I'm using here, what is the purpose of this constructor? Taking the input for the object and initializing to the property. So receive the data given by the user and pass to these two properties. So I'm going to use here employee ID equals to employee ID and this is name equals to name, right? So we are taking here two values from the user which is given to the properties, and now I'm going to use here data 101 and name I'm going to pass here. This is my name Vikram, and then print the values here. Look at this, we have given the data to the object but we are getting nothing here. We are getting the default values, means data is not set to the property. Data is not set to the property, otherwise something would be printed here. So when you are using the direct initialization like this, when you are using the assignment here, we are expecting the data assigned from right hand side to the left hand side, and we are assuming that this right hand side variable is this local variable as argument of the constructor, and this left hand side variable is this instance variable. So actually your program cannot differentiate this. What program understand, this employee ID is in the local scope and it is getting the highest priority. So this employee ID and this name is getting the highest priority in this scope, and that's why this is not actually referred. It is not referring to this. So to differentiate, in this case you have common name for the data member, you have common name for the data members means properties, and the same name for the local variable. So I can differentiate like this dot name and this dot ID. So now you can see the data here, you will get the result here like this. So we can differentiate the local variable and instance variable using this keyword. So this dot name is representing instance variable because it is part of the object. So data members are part of the object accessible through the object, and this is representing to the current object. So this is enough for this discussion. In next video we'll cover up more on the this keyword. Thank you for watching.